The dimensions of a cinema hall are 100 meter, 60 meter, 15 meter. How many persons can sit in the hall if each persons require 150 meter cube of air? So clearly in that question, length, breadth and height is given. So it is a case of cuboid. Okay. Secondly, they said how many persons can sit in the hall. If they are asking how many persons can sit in a hall, that means they are asking about volume. Volume means that area. How many persons can sit in that room means they are asking about volume. Next, if each person requires 150 meter of air. Okay, so the length, breadth and height of the cinema hall is given and they are asking about the volume in terms of how many persons can sit in that room. And next, if one person requires 150 meter cube air, then it's a clue for us. Okay, we are going to do that. So first of all, dimensions of cinema hall are 100 meter, 60 meter, 15 meter. And clearly they are asking how many persons can sit in that room means they are asking about volume. So how many persons can sit in the hall is equal to volume of room. And what is the volume of room? Because three dimensions are given, then it's clearly a cuboid. So we are going to apply the formula. Volume of room is that length multiplied breadth multiplied by height. So volume of room 100 into 60 into 15, then you are getting 90,000 for that. Okay, 15 times 6 is 90, and how many zeros we have? 3, so we are going to apply 3 zeros there, and the unit is meter cube. It's quite compulsory to write the units. Okay, now next we have a clue that one person requires 150 meter cube air. So let us consider the number of persons sits in that room. Number of persons sit in that room be n. Okay, let us consider the number of persons sit in that hall, cinema hall be n. So let number of persons sit in a room is equal to n. Okay, and the air required by one person, air required by one person is 150 meter cube. If one person requires 150 meter cube air, then n persons require n into 150 meter cube. So n persons require n into 16 meter cube. Then according to question, this is a room, its volume we already find out, that is 90,000 meter cube. So those persons who are going to sit in that room, they require the volume of air in that room. Okay, so volume of room is equal to air required by n persons, because the volume of room is 90,000 meter cube, not for the persons but also for the air. Okay, so volume of room is equal to air required by n persons. If there are n persons in the room, then they will use that volume of air. So we are going to collapsing it, that is 90,000 is equal to n into 150, where n is the number of persons and 150 is the air required by one person. And we have to find n. So here the multiplication of 150 goes on left hand side, which is going to be divided there. Okay, so we cancel 0 by 0, and we know that 15 times 1 15 and 15 times 6 is 90. Two zeros are going to left there, which we are going to use there. Means if you are going to divide 90,000 by 150, you will get 600. So clearly the answer is 600. In that question, the dimensions of room have been given to us, which were 100 meters, 60 meters, 15 meters. So first of all, if they are asking how many persons can sit in a room, that means it's a volume of room. Then apply the formula length, breadth into height, which is this. After that, there is a clue that one person requires air 150 meter cube. According to us, let the number of persons be n and the volume required by them be n into 150, not 16. I'm so sorry, it's n into 150 meter cube. Then we are going to equate, because volume of room is always equal to air required by n persons. Okay, volume of room is equal to air required by n persons. So first of all, n remains there and 150 goes down, which is going to divide by that number, and we will get 600. So in that question we will use the volume of room, because they are asking how many persons can sit in a room.